What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Jeep Gladiator started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle like I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what I'm going to do is start the vehicle like I normally would, but if I'm holding the key fob in this orientation, I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop-start button. So come over here, press the brake in like you normally would. Then I'm going to take the top of my key fob and use that to press the stop-start button. And then the Gladiator will start. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal. And you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.